Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make bread on a stick. This fun and simple recipe is perfect for outdoor cooking. You only need a few basic ingredients that you likely already have in your pantry. We'll start by gathering about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and some water. Make sure you also have a sturdy, clean stick ready for cooking over an open flame. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. In a medium bowl, combine your flour, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add water, a little at a time, mixing until a soft, manageable dough forms. It should not be overly sticky. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it gently for about 5 minutes. This develops the gluten, making your bread wonderfully chewy. Then, let it rest for 10 minutes. With your dough rested, it's time for the fun part. Tear off a piece of dough, roughly the size of a golf ball. Roll this piece into a long, thin snake, about 1 foot in length. Now, carefully wrap this dough spirally around the end of your clean stick, ensuring it's secure. Hold it over a medium heat source, rotating it constantly. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's golden brown and cooked through. Once your bread is beautifully golden brown and cooked through, carefully slide it off the stick. Be cautious, as it will be hot. This warm, fluffy bread is absolutely delicious on its own, offering a simple, satisfying taste. You can also serve it with a pat of butter, a dollop of jam, or even a savory spread. It's a perfect treat for any outdoor adventure, bringing a touch of homemade goodness to your experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.